So I walked in the door and I could smell the smell of Honey Baby cooking pumpkin bread. Oh, that's mighty fine. That's mighty fine right there. Mighty fine. I told everybody what you've been up to. Cooking pumpkin bread. Oh, they can't smell it as much as I can. Oh, just look at this. This is highly technical right here. See what she's doing? That's a FDA approved pumpkin bread test. Yeah. Are you making this for a special occasion or just for our enjoyment?
One's for us, one I'll save for Christmas.
Oh, cooking for Christmas already.
Yeah.
Show everybody your pretty shirt.
Yeah, it's coming.
I
Huh?
like your pretty shirt.
Thank you.
I told everybody about my haircut too.
Yeah. I like it.
She likes that.
I like it.
She likes that.
I know.
You want to hold the camera? Because I can't shoot the back of my head very well, and you can show everybody.
Well, it needs, well, no, it's got a little bit of hat head right now.
Hat head?
Yeah.
Hat head?
Yeah.
I'm going to go get in the shower real quick.
Yeah, it's like all over.
Over the jaw.
But it's short.
Short.
And it's neat.
It's neat.
It's not sticking out all over.
I want everybody to see how you're smiling when you say that. She's smiling. She likes it.
I do.
She likes it.
I do.
Okay then, let's go get in the shower. Well, no, y'all can't come with me.